Hey guys, James Danley. Today we're at 702 KAYSER. We are in the heart of downtown Royal Oak. Only a 10-minute walk to all the bars, restaurants, and shopping. And we have an extremely rare, large lot for the proximity to downtown. You have an attached 2-car garage, a massive backyard. You could fit a pool, sports court, cabana, indoor, outdoor entertaining, whatever your heart desires, and still be walking distance to town, which is a very hard combination to find. Come on in, let's do a walkthrough on this house. So as you can see, we have good clear line of sight through the front of the house to the back. To your left, you have a nice large formal study / office. Really good ceiling heights in this. A lot of the new construction, we get great ceiling heights, which helps for natural light, just makes the space feel a lot larger than it actually is. So past your formal office and study, you have coat closet and then a formal powder room, which is very nice and conveniently hidden away from your main entertaining space and kitchen. And if you've got guests over, that's usually ideal, and you don't always see it in a lot of the new construction, but you don't usually want your powder room right next to the kitchen when you're entertaining guests. So nice, thoughtful design here. And then we have a huge open, great room on the back of the house. They're gonna do a bar with built-ins here, nice, large, open kitchen, big island. It's all symmetrical with your fireplace and your TV directly behind. And then you have easy access to this massive backyard, which is so incredibly rare and hard to get this close to downtown Royal Oak. And all of this will obviously be refinished with sod and sprinkler systems when it's completed, but you know, we're under construction right now. So give them some time, and at the end, it's gonna look beautiful and new. The key here is you have more than enough space to build a pool, a cabana house, a sports court, you know, whatever you want, and still be in town and be walkable. Extremely rare find on the size of this lot, and there's not very many of them. So up here we have our attached 2-car front entry garage. You can actually fit 2 SUVs in it conveniently, get in and out of your cars. As you come in, you've got a nice mud bench, mudroom drop zone right here. They're gonna add a mail drop on this side, and you have a big, large coat closet. It's a full walk-in. So not only do you have your formal coat closet up front for the guests, you've got a huge walk-in coat closet here for the family, which can house all of your seasonal needs as well. So off your kitchen, behind you right there, there's a big walk-in pantry. Really large walk-in pantry, especially for new construction in Royal Oak. They're not always thinking that through, and a lot of times you have small pantry space built into kitchen cabinets, but this actually has a full walk-in massive pantry. And that's pretty much the first floor. Excellent, clean, open, great for entertaining, well thought out, great natural light on the staircases. Let's go take a look at the second floor. So as we come up the stairs here at KAYSER, you have a nice open landing and a massive daylight window. So it pulls a lot of southern light exposure in, keeps this whole stairwell very, very open and bright. And as you guys are standing on the stairs, I'm just gonna point out the segmentation of the layout. It's kind of hard to tell with all the open 2x4s, but we've got full build plans if you wanna follow along with us. So you come up the stairs, and on your right, you have your laundry. And then behind that is a full guest suite. So it's the secondary ensuite for the bedroom, so the oldest kid or in-laws or whoever. And you have a massive laundry here with a daylight window, which is very nice. And then this bedroom here is the secondary ensuite. You have a big walk-in closet there up front with the daylight window, and then a nice full bathroom with the shower. So from the top of the stairs straight ahead, we've got our linen closet here for all the bedrooms right in the hall. And then we have 2 Jack and Jill bedrooms in the back. One has a massive walk-in closet, the other one has a regular double closet. And they both share a bathroom with double sinks and a tub. The pocket doors on these 2 sinks, and the tub toilet area can also be closed off, so that if you have 2 kids getting ready at the same time, they can divide and conquer. Yep, all right, so top of the stairs to your left, the whole back of the house is master suite. So come on in and take a look at this. Great ceiling heights, they stepped them up. You have windows on the southern side of the house, in the western side, so you get a ton of natural light throughout this room. They have all the audio video pre-wired, so it's symmetrical here on the wall. You put your king-size bed there, nightstands on either side, TV audio visual here. When you walk into your dressing room area, you have 2 large walk-in closets, one here for his, and then one in the back for hers, which is massive with the daylight window. And then you have a huge spa-like master bathroom. You have a soaker tub, views of the backyard, his and her vanities, huge walk-in shower, and then a private water closet with a window for your toilet space. This is like the ideal floor plan. For 3,000 square foot, it's laid out perfectly. You've got more than enough master closet space, huge master bathroom. You've got good closet space on all the bedrooms. The lower level is perfect for indoor-outdoor entertaining, attached garage. I mean, this floor plan is everything that you could want for a walkable Royal Oak lifestyle. So as you guys can see today, this house is obviously under construction. There's debris everywhere throughout. They're frantically involved in the build process. So you're probably asking yourselves, why are these guys showing us this house so early in the process? The answer to that question is inventory. So we currently have record low inventory in southeastern Michigan for residential housing. It's the lowest it's ever been in history, and because of that, the majority of these new construction properties are selling before they're completed. And with a property like this, that has such a massive, rare lot size, and you actually have an attached 2-car front entry garage, huge backyard to do whatever you want, and still have the proximity to walk to downtown, it's so rare, we really wanted to get it in front of you and the public ahead of time. So you can get involved now in the build process, put your personal touch on the finishes, and make sure you secure what is a very rare located asset in downtown Royal Oak. So call, text, DM us today to schedule your private showing. And remember, we live, work, sell.